Today we're going to be going through a tutorial on how to make a sprite dance with background sound. Let's take a quick look at the finished product before we start working on it. So how do we get here? Well, let's try creating a project from the beginning. So we're starting with a blank project, and the first thing we'd like to do is set the background stage. So if you click over in the lower left-hand corner, we can choose a backdrop from the library. There's quite a few different backdrops you can use, and you can select indoor, outdoor, other. The dance floor is located in indoors spotlight stage. Now instead of having the cat dance, let's try having somebody else. So if you right click on the cat, you can delete it. And now I'm going to add a new sprite. So click to choose a sprite from the library. And if we want a dancing sprite, we can select music and dance. So this looks pretty good so far. But right now, if we run the project, nothing's going to happen. We don't have noise and we don't have dancing, or we don't have music or dancing. So how do we do this? Well, what we need to do is we need to tell the character to dance. So there's different events that you can use to start your program. And in this case, we'd like to use the flag, the go to start it. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to want to have the girl dance forever. So a forever loop or a forever block tells your sprite to do something forever. And then a wait block will tell your sprite to do something and then wait. Now to dance, we essentially just need to change costumes from one costume to the next. So you can see here, if we try to run the program now, look, she's dancing. But how does this actually make her dance? So if we click on costumes, you can see that Cassie has four different costumes. And what we were doing is forever we're going through these costumes and having Casey dance. So it's just going through one to the next, to the next, to the next, waiting for a half second between. So this looks pretty good so far. Now what about music? So if we want to add some music, we can go to the stage, get the flag event, and then add a forever loop, and play sound until it's done. Now if we use the default sound of pop, it works, but it doesn't sound that good. So let's try changing the sound to something else. So if you click on the drop-down list and click on record, you could add your own recording if you wanted to add your own music, or if you wanted to sing yourself. Or another option is you can click to choose a sound from the library. And in this case, let's try a music loop and set it to techno. So now when we click the flag, Cassie should dance and there should be some music. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.